Emma. Let's start our Letters and Sounds lesson and learn to read some new words. Let's read some phonemes you already know. I'll show you the graphemes on the cards and I want you to read them aloud. This grapheme has 3 sounds. It can say ear in words like here, air in words like bear, and in words like earth. Now, can you remember the different ways of saying this grapheme? Yes, this says k and ch and sh. Now, it's your turn. Off you go, and remember to say all the sounds for each grapheme. Let's check you got them right. Read aloud with me. Ear, air and ch, k and sh. Or y, e or I. Air, ch, air. Now, I'm going to mix the cards up. Read the graphemes on the cards aloud. Ready? Off you go. Let's check you got them right. Read aloud with me. Air, ch, air, air, ear and ch, k and sh. Or and y, e and I. Well done, super sounds. Now let's read some words. I want you to spot the graphemes which make the sound air. Are you ready? Can you spot the grapheme that says air in this word? Yes, this says air. Read each sound as I point, then blend and read the word. Let's read together. Sh, air, share. It's always nice to share something good with a friend. Can you spot the grapheme that says air in this word? Yes, this says air. Read each sound, then blend. Let's read together. Air, square. Can you draw a square in the air? Did you remember all 4 sides? Brilliant. Can you spot the grapheme that says air in this word? Yes, this says air. Read each sound, then blend. Let's read together. Air, or t. Airport. Have you ever been to an airport to catch a plane? Fabulous. Can you spot the grapheme that says air in this word? Yes, this says air. Well done. Are you ready to read? Off you go. Let's read it together. Air, e, hairy. I have to brush my little dog often because he's very hairy. Okay, can you spot the grapheme that says air in this word? Yes, this says air. Are you ready to read? Off you go. Air, there. I got to school so early that no one was there. Can you spot the grapheme that says air in this word? Yes, this says air. Ready to read? Off you go. Let's read together. Where? Did you get it right? Fantastic. Now I'm going to mix the words up. Now I want you to read the words on the cards, but without sounding out this time. Are you ready? Off you go. Let's check. Read them with me. Hairy. There. Where? Airport. Share. Square. Great reading, everyone. This grapheme can make the sound ear or air. Let's sort some words. Does the grapheme make an ear or an air sound in each of these words? Here's our first one. Does it have the phoneme ear or air? Help me put the word in the correct place. Shout out ear if the word has an ear sound like ear, or air if it has an air sound like bear. Help me work it out. Is it ear or is it air? Yes, it's near. So where shall I put it? Near ends with ear, so I'm going to pop it here under the ear. Great work. Let's do another one. Read the word. Does it have ear or air? Help me work it out. Is it k or ear or is it k or air? Tell me what you think. Yes, it's clear. Clear ends with ear. So I'm going to pop it here too, under the ear. Let's do another. Read the word. Ear or air? Help me work it out. Is it ear or is it air? Where should I put this one? Yes, it's pear, as in the fruit. Pear has the sound air, so I'm going to pop it here under the bear. Okay, here's our last one. Read the word. Ear or air? Help me work it out. Is it ear or is it air? Where should I put it? Yes, it's swear. Swear has the sound air like in bear. So I'm going to pop it here underneath the bear. Well done. Brilliant job. We've sorted all of the words. Now I'm going to mix the words up. Can you read the words on the cards without sounding out? Let's see how quickly you can read them. Off you go. Let's check you got them right. Read aloud with me and let's see how speedy we can be. Pear, near, swear, clear. Wow, what superstars you are. Now let's read some tricky words we've read before. You know how to read this tricky word. Can you remember the tricky bit? Yes, the tricky bit is that this says air. Can you read the word? Let's read it together. Air, there. Yes, the word is there. Well done. Now let's practice reading another tricky word. You've met this one before too. Can you remember the tricky bit? Yes, this says E. Can you read the word? Let's read it together. P-E-P-O, people. Now let's read both of those words quickly. I'm going to read out loud. Off we go. Now let's read them together. There. People. Did you get them right? Great job. Now let's read a sentence with graphemes we already know. Can you see any words with digraphs? 2 letters, 1 sound. Or trigraphs? 3 letters, 1 sound. Yes, this word has a digraph. V. And these words have trigraphs. Ear, air, air, and air. Now I want you to read aloud as I point to the words. Remember to sound out any words you're not sure of. Excellent reading. Now let's read the sentence together. Read with me as I point to the words. It is clear that the hairy bear has my pear. Well done. Now let's read the sentence one more time. It is clear that the hairy bear has my pear. If a hairy bear pinched my pear, I think I'd let the bear keep it. Wow, your reading has really impressed me today. Now let's finish by spelling some words, because if you can read a word, then you can have a go at spelling it. You will need paper and something to write with. Let's spell 2 words with graphemes we've learnt recently. Let's spell pear. Segment the sounds with me. Pear, p, air. Let's count how many sounds there are. P, air. That's 2 sounds. Watch me write pear, as in the fruit. I need to remember those 2 sounds. P. Air is a trigraph. 3 letters, 1 sound. So I need to write 3 letters. Pear. P, air, pear. Okay, let's hide the word. Now you have a go. Say the word. Say the sounds. Write them down. Don't forget there's a trigraph. 3 letters, 1 sound. Okay, are you ready? Fabulous. Okay, let's check our spelling. You show me your spelling. Did you get it right? Air, pear. Well done. Now let's try another one. Let's spell tear. Segment the sounds with me. Tear, t, air. Let's count how many sounds there are. T, air. That's 2 sounds. Watch me write tear, and I need those 2 sounds. T. Air is a trigraph. 3 letters, 1 sound. So I need to write 3 letters. Tear. T, air, tear. Now let's hide the word. Now you have a go. Say the word. Say the sounds. Write them down. Don't forget the trigraph. Okay, are you ready to check our spelling? Brilliant. You show me your spelling. Did you get it right? T, air, tear. Brilliant. Now let's spell a tricky word. We have spelt the word there before. Let's practice spelling it again. Segment the sounds with me. There, v, air. Let's count how many sounds there are. V, air. That's 2 sounds. Can you remember the tricky bit? Yes, the second bit is tricky. The letters E-I-R say air. Watch me write there. V. That's easy. The air sound is written with the letters E-I-R. There. V-air, there. Now, are you ready to have a go? Going to hide the word. Okay, your turn. Say the word. Say the sounds. What's the tricky bit? The air sound is written with the letters E-I-R. Write it down. Okay, are you ready to check our spelling? Fabulous. Let's check then. Show me your spelling. Did you get it right? There. Well done, children. You have really impressed me with how hard you have worked practicing reading and spelling today. See you soon for another lesson with Letters and Sounds.